Toxic respect. May mga leaders na hindi talaga nire-respeto. Kinatatakutan lang. At minsan, akala nila fear is the same as respect. Pero hindi. Toxic respect happens kapag tahimik ang team. Hindi dahil they trust you, pero dahil they're scared to disagree. Yung tipong lahat na lang, yes sir, yes ma'am. Hindi dahil align sila, pero dahil ayaw lang nilang mapagalitan, mapahiya, o ma-freeze out. Ang problema, kapag toxic respect ang foundation ng leadership, walang innovation, walang honesty, walang growth. Nagiging culture of compliance, hindi culture of excellence. Respect is different. People challenge you. People tell you the truth, kahit masakit. People push back because they want the team to win, not because they're scared to lose their job. So kung leader ka, tanong ko lang, are you building respect or enforcing silence? Because one builds a legacy and the other builds a ticking time bomb.